Now, this is the second part of the video. We have gotten the base, right? Base of the phone holder. We have already drawn the base of the phone holder. Now the next thing is how do we draw the support for the phone holder? Okay, I'm going to do a simple one. All right. For example, I'm going to start from here. I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, I will draw it such that my phone holder will be the same orientation as the base, right? Same orientation as the base. I'm going to draw the what I call the support, right? Facing the front, right? Facing the front. Okay, this line that I draw must be parallel to this line. All right, then I will draw this line. This line that I draw must be parallel to this line. Right, same thing down here, parallel to the line that I've just drawn. Okay, so this becomes the acrylic that will be screwed. Right, I will screw this thing roughly I just draw very gentle. I will screw this thing onto the base. Now this is basically a piece of acrylic. So I'm going to add a little bit of thickness, for example. Right, add a little bit of thickness. Now if I bend this piece of acrylic 90 degrees, if I bend it 90 degrees, then it should look something like that. Alright, I should draw up 90 degrees vertical line. It should look something like that, but you do not want to put your phone 90 degrees because it will fall off to the front. Right, usually what you do is you bend it backwards a little bit, 20-30 degrees. Alright, so I will bend it backwards. This is vertical, so I will tilt it a little bit to the back. Right, I will tilt it a little bit to the back. Now it should be like that. Right, to support the phone. The other side should be parallel to this side. It should be parallel to this line. Right, should be parallel to this line, and then end off with a line that is parallel to this line. Right, I should draw this very gently, and then later on if I want to cut any curve, for example I want to cut a pattern down here. Alright, maybe I want a curve down here instead of just a rectangle, then I will cut a curve. Alright, whatever you can design your own shape. Right, I'm not particular about that. Okay, then now it is best to have a phone, right? Best to draw a phone down here. For example, I say my phone. Right, I put my phone down here. If I do my phone, right, let's say my phone, I assume that my phone is this size. Right, draw a little bit of thickness. Now this line that I draw represent the thickness of the phone. Right, now my phone is resting on the back, so this line that I draw represent the thickness of the phone. The thickness of the phone. Right. Okay, my phone is like that. So now I have a phone sitting down here. Later on, then you darken. Right, now I'm going to darken this line a little bit. The thickness of the acrylic. Right, thickness of the acrylic. If let's say if this is what I want, then I will darken this part. Right, this is the thickness of my acrylic. Right, so my acrylic is here. The other parts, they are hidden by the phone. Alright, so now I'm going to darken my phone. Right, darken my phone, for example. Right, your few dots. Right, there's a place for you to listen. Right, then probably you have a few icons down here. Right, your Facebook or whatever. Alright, these are your application. this is the screw, right? Screw. So if I cut this one, there's no such line down here. All right, then darken this piece a little bit. Right, by right, you see the line behind here. Right, so when you draw the base, do not darken the base first. Right, do not darken the base first. You darken the base only after you draw the phone. Right, then you will know which line to darken. Okay, then you will know which line to darken. That's about all for this video. All right, complete this. Try it and see how it goes. Right. All right, thank you and see you next time.